Okay, now 2. A skilled craftsman lifted a whole bag of fertilizer and put it into Dojong's buttocks. This bag of fertilizer weighs 100 jin, 50 kilograms, of course, Dojong. The weight it can bear inside its butt is far more than 100 pounds, so. Another worker. I went to get the bucket and prepared. Another bucket of fertilizer will be added. The 100 jin 50 kilograms of fertilizer has already arrived. But it's not full yet. So let me remind you that the load capacity is more than 100 pounds. You can add another bucket. It's so perfect. Just a reminder, 1 generation plus 1 bucket isn't even full yet. That's how we are. What? Hello everyone. Today we're going to use the DJI T70 to ... This corn is being fertilized with fertilizer and additives. The recommended application rate for this fertilizer is 8 kilograms per mu, approximately 0.16 acres. Today, we're working to improve the efficiency of our operations. Efficiency, so we look for jobs. The engineer adds 1 bag or 1 bucket at a time, roughly 130. 10 pounds, everyone. A T70 can carry 140 pounds. Pulling 130 pounds is very... Oh, easy peasy. Looks like the battery's dead. I'm completely out of power. They removed the dead batteries and then fully charged this other battery. Remove it and replace the dead battery. I'm still using our car charger today. The electric power comes from a radar pickup truck, and mine is a radar King Kong. Oh, it can be charged directly through the external discharge port. Let's take a look. You can just insert an electric shotgun through this port. It emits 400 volts of high voltage direct current, which can then be used to power a device without a charger. The human-machine interface was charged and the charging output was. It came very quickly, maximum discharge power. My charger is 12 kilowatts, which means it provides 12 kilowatts of power to this. A single battery can be fully charged in about 7 minutes. We loaded the fully charged batteries onto the plane and prepared to begin operations. Short press, long press to power on DJI T70, ready for takeoff. The drone is all set. Let's click to continue. Continue the assignment and then slide. The plane can operate automatically now. Right, 3, 2, 1. And then the plane automatically takes off and begins operation. The plane is turning. It's starting to turn. Ready for takeoff. 130 kilograms of fertilizer takes off. When Wenchi. It flew. It was pulled up very easily. And then it flew. To 1. Even with power lines around, it's not scary to start working. We sometimes fly higher than them. When we take off and return at altitudes higher than the power lines. For example, this power line is 12 meters long and our height is 15 meters is just enough to walk over the power lines and get past the plane now. The machine began to spread the seeds. Wow, it's over so fast. Let's see how many seconds it took. It took 48 seconds to finish scanning. More than 130 kilograms of fertilizer. And the speed is still very fast. I'm very fast. If we're going to spread it manually, this bag and a half of fertilizer will take at least 1 hour difference. Not many, but drones. It dried in 48 seconds. What did that plane do? I just did it automatically. He'll be back. It takes off from where it automatically and flies there. And then you can add weight and change the scent at will. We sat down directly. You can see the view in front of the plane from inside the car. Highly praised the drone. Logistics and transportation cross mountains and rivers to reach thousands of households. Packing goods into boxes for efficient transportation of fruit down the mountain is a highly efficient and economical method for fruit picking in mountainous areas. Power to install batteries in drones. Drones take off to deliver fruit and snacks. Arrive safely at the destination. I earn 800,000 yuan a year by operating drones, and I'm always traveling around. The female drone pilot, who was on break, continued her work in Huizhou today. In the deep mountains, bamboo was planted at a distance of 350 meters and a vertical height of 90 meters. Yesterday, there were still 2 mountains of bamboo left that hasn't all fallen. The owner said this was the first time he tried using a certain method. Previously, transporting bamboo relied entirely on manual labor, as the mountain roads were impassable by vehicles. The text also mentions a drone dropping bamboo, but this appears unrelated to the bamboo issue and is likely a separate, incomplete thought. The children move step by step down the mountain. but the large quantities of bamboo simply couldn't be transported down. Only able to pull a few dozen kilograms of bamboo. If we delay any longer, the rainy season will arrive. This is where drones come in very handy, providing extremely high efficiency throughout the entire process. It is not afraid of slipping or bumping, and it greatly reduces the damage to bamboo from bumps and knocks. A total of 16 tons of bamboo were transported today. Making 27 cards a day is quite an achievement. I feel that I can make a living by using my flying skills and also solve transportation problems for farmers. This is the challenge, and this is the significance of drone technology in helping agriculture. We will continue our efforts tomorrow.